Hello, welcome to Gasim Driving School YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about dual carriageways. A dual carriageway is where the road is divided by a central reservation. This could be some type of barrier, concrete, metal that separates you from oncoming traffic. The speed of the dual carriageway in the UK could be 30 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour, sometimes could be 50 miles per hour, or maybe national speed limit. So there is no fixed speed for dual carriageways in the UK. In this example, we have the slip road, so we need to build up our speed to match the dual carriageway speed. Also, we're going to signal early, and we're going to use our right mirror to see if there is a safe gap to join. Otherwise, we're going to stop at the giveaway line because we don't have a priority. Once you join the dual carriageway, make sure to stay in the left lane because that's your normal driving position, unless you're overtaking or you're turning right next junction. It's very important to make sure it's safe and legal before you overtake. In this example, first we're going to check rear view mirror and right mirror and signal right. Then we're going to check our central mirror. We can see the vehicle in the middle lane. That means it's safe to move in front of that vehicle, otherwise it's too close. Now we need to move back to the left lane. We're going to check our central mirror, left mirror, and signal left. And then we're going to check our central mirror again. We can see the car behind us in the central mirror, so it's safe to move to the left. We're going to check rear view mirror and right mirror and signal right. Make sure there's a safe gap, and we're going to move to the right lane, and then I'm going to cancel the signal. Check our mirror again and move to the right lane, and then we're going to cancel the signal. I'm going to repeat that one more time. When you exit in dual carriageway, it's very important to maintain your speed and make sure to check the mirrors, signal left until you move to the slip road, and then you can slow down. Also, it's very important to exit from the beginning of the slip road, otherwise you could be blocked by someone behind you.